All right, so let's get started with today broadcasting. It's Tuesday, October 15, 2024, 8:08 a.m. We see how in the 30 minutes the market on crude has been reacting to this um, lower side of this band right here. From here to there, we do have an area of interest. So coming back down to this area here, taking it into 2662 and then moved up. I was looking at the 2660 yesterday. It was touched twice, then it was broken. There was an overshoot, came to the green area, which is support, and then bounced back up in the overnight. Now it's coming back down for a potential rebound to the upside. That's going to be my take on the short term on um, the uh, 30 minutes. Let's go and check the news first and see what we have for today. Actually, we don't have that much. We do have at 8:30 the Empire State Manufacturing Index, and then we do have FOMC speakers in the at 11:30 and in 1 p.m. Then tomorrow we do have tomorrow it's Wednesday, so there is actually no. There's a little bit of movement in gold now. Let's see. Let's complete this part here. We do have uh, 8:30 tomorrow import sales. I was saying that tomorrow it's Wednesday. Normally we do have the EIA report for crude, but this time, since Monday was bank holiday, they moved the report to Thursday at 11. But also we do have for retail sales and unemployment claims. So this one is a big one tomorrow. I am on Thursday. So that's what we are going to do, or what we're going to see. So that's the news for today and the following 2 days. Let's go back to the chart and see how gold is reacting. Let's check out the Thinkorswim platform, and we're going to see the daily um, charts in gold. So we are at a support level at this point right here. So you see that we are, yesterday we moved, let me change this one to yellow. So we moved to a green positive um, stochastics, and we're waiting for this to move to the upside here and give us a green candle and moved up. It seems that it's going to do it. We are having here a pivot low, a pivot high right there, coming back to a resistance, and potentially this one would trigger a move to the upside. Also, if we follow the Fibonacci retracement here and we mark from here to that retracement there, we're looking at a potential 2760 to 27 as an all-time high here, which is pretty nice if we go there. Let's go to move this one out of the way for now, and let's look at the 240 minutes in gold. Let me put it here in the chart. So this one is the 240 minutes. I have all of these areas marked, so that would be the 2745 target there for a run if that happens. So let's move this one and make an extension there. See where the resistance is for now. So this one, it's leaning towards that level there. So we do have a pretty good uh, tail over there as a resistance. So it's right now it's ranging. So it's moving in this range here, but I'm waiting for it to start moving to the upside there. Okay. So that one is the 240. Okay. So let's look at momentum. Sorry about about that. I closed it. So yesterday we were at these positive levels here with red in the overnight. We do have red histograms there. I would expect this one to start moving to the upside there if this price obviously start moving up, and it seems that wants to do it as it opens now. So in what is it then, 10 minutes or 5 minutes? So let's look at very quickly. Let's look at the 30 minutes chart. This one here, I was looking at these levels yesterday, these higher highs, and then this lower highs right here for a divergence right there. And at this point, it went all the way, complete the divergence, then start moving there, and now it's crossing to the upside. So I wouldn't be surprised if this one start moving to the upside. We're 5 minutes away from the opening, um, what the uh, ghost pit open for gold. See what it's going to do at the open. And right at this point, it was making lower highs and lower lows. Let's open the chart here. So higher highs and higher lows right here. Then gave us um, uh, a top right there, and then crossed below, went and retest this in the moving averages, and then moved to the downside. So lower highs, lower lows. It has not completed the cycle yet, so we may expect some move to the downside before we move um, above the cloud and above the this smooth 50 is the which is another moving average that I follow there. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, um, thank you so much for the like. And I would encourage you, if you're taking advantage of these videos, um, to like and share. Also, there's a description in the description. There's a link to Apex Trading Founding. You can use Renko to trade with them and minimize your risk. Also, if you like, buy me a coffee. There's also a link there in the description. Okay, so let's continue with this. So what I'm looking for here, I'm waiting for this. This one would have been a really good entry right there. It was breaking this area there, and also it was it was um, touching this opening overnight opening level right down below. Um, where you can use that one as a resistance, as a support level in this case, because it seems that it's moving in a bullish move. Now it went at this point, it was tough. If you follow the strategies I for my entries. Okay, 2 minutes for gold to open. If you follow my strategies, this is not a setup. that I have, but it's pretty reliable also. So you put the entry there, and then you wait until you put a stop loss around this area there, or below the pivot low, and wait and see what it happened. But in this case, I was looking for, since the market has not opened yet. I was and I am looking for a trend reversal breakout, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's wait until the market open. Now we are 2 minutes away, potentially 1 minute for the market to open. Um, let's look at crude. Crude has a really big move last night at the end of the hour before the market closed. It really came back down pretty hard from this level here to that level there. Um, so this one was unexpected, I would say, but it kept moving there down. When I woke up today, it was $4 down, pretty significantly from yesterday's low, from yesterday's close. So I would be expecting some retracement there. And again, um, we are ahead of um, oh, tomorrow should be the EIA report, but it's going to happen on Thursday. So we'll see what the inventories are at. So this crude gold keeps moving down, or keeps moving out or up. I'm sorry. I'm waiting for a small retracement here to take the um, if it give us the move to the upside. It seems that it's pretty strong move right here. Let's see. Yeah, momentum, slow and fast line are above the zero line, which is positive. Then it seems that it wants to go to the upside. It's actually going to the upside now. And straight through what it came here and took all of these stops that were down here, um, and then started to move to the upside. So pretty significant move. Let's look at this and check how much this one is from this move here. It's $690 per contract so far. Where we are, yeah, $680, and it keeps moving. That wants to go to previous pivot high up here for $790 there. There you go, $780 there. And this is the I was looking this pivots up here. Let's see if it goes through or comes back down. Pretty nice move, actually. And so if we pay attention here, we do have the previous high up above here. And then our resistance area is right up above the previous day high. So we'll see what is going to happen here. Already, the move already happened here, so I'm not interested in taking any long position unless it comes back and revisit this area down below. It's forming the 15 minutes opening range also. So you see that opened in here, and now we are at this level up there. In the 15 minutes, I take from 8:20 to 8:35. Let's see what it does here. Now, momentum is pretty much extended at this. Pretty nice reversal. No entry for me at this point, though. I could have entered that one there. Let's see how much more it goes. That wants to go straight through. And it's moving up a little bit from here to there. We're at $900. Very much extended now. I would expect to have some sort of rejection level. And again, I was looking for this thing to have that entry there. It never gave it to me. Thank you so much for the like. Yeah, it keeps moving up, huh? Interesting. Um, yeah, there was a also a diagonal line here that could have been used as an entry point there, and then a change of color. Lots of indications that this would have been a good entry at this. The best entry was at this level. Now we need to wait. I need to wait until it gives me another a retracement here to the moving averages. Really look for a another opportunity to go in if it does happen. So let's look at crude, how crude is recovering from the big down move in the overnight. Crude is at 279 now. It was on the overnight. It went all the way to $4 down. Now it's at 279. So has recovered and um, a dollar 30 or something like that, dollar 20 from the very low. Now it's coming back down. Gold hitting. If you see this 30 minutes, it's finding some resistance at this point up here. Came back down a little bit and then retook the move. So as I said, the move already happened from the bottom to the top here, and now we are at this previous high level. The move already happened, so I'm not lean to take any trade at this level. I need a little bit of retracement to come back and try to retest this area here. Seems that they found some sellers up here, and it's potentially coming back down a bit. Trying to make an engulfing candle there, but I think that is going to fail. It's going to come back down a bit, I guess. So it went all the way to this level up here for $960. I would consider that a good trade for everyone who took it, anyone who took it up here. And now it's an engulfing coming back up. Still has not touched any um, of the moving averages there. Finding some system here. Pretty nice move coming back down in the moving in the um, momentum indicators here. Upside in the it's in the upper side of the um, 15-minute opening range. Hill forming 8:30. Let's see what it does at this level. Again, I have this one from 8:20 to 8:35. Seems that wants to keep going to the upside. I for me it's a little bit iffy, choppy here. It has some difficulties to go continue. It seems that it's in a range now. Back here, I would like it to come and break this one down before it takes another move to the upside there. It may not happen. It's a pretty strong move now. You need to. I'm practicing patience here. Um, this is not a level for me to go and jump in. It's too close to this area of resistance up here. Let's see where it is in the 30 minutes chart. So we do have this area of resistance formed by these bottoms there. So we are below that area. If it moves, if it keeps moving to the upside, now we do have our level of resistance up here. Really, it seems that wants to go to the upside. Look at the momentum there. So I need a little bit of retracement before take the I take the chance trying to break that level actually. So 8:34, and now we do have the 15-minute completed in about 1 minute. That yes, in about 3 seconds actually. Okay, so now we have it formed. Now what I'm looking for is a behavior here. It's going to go out of this range here, or not range, but the opening. Yeah, the opening range, 15 minutes. Seems that it, as we saw, coming back down of that high. So it found some sellers up here. Coming back down, let's see what is there going to be the reaction at this high level. We have the 18 is EMA on the red line and the 34 EMA right here. Momentum is coming back down below the or closer to the. I was speaking a little bit away from the microphone. So let's see here. That's a week off of the 18. Still too close to that resistance area there. Let's see if it resets a little bit more. Okay, it's forming now. I think it's forming a channel here, a compression. So I would be looking for a compression break, potentially to the upside. Momentum is resetting here, I guess. I would like it to come back. though, because it's still on the tops of these higher highs and higher lows move. It's coming back down now. Now we are looking at one white candle there. So it's in compression now. See, back down. Pretty much in a range now. Potentially a critical area. We do have a reset there. Let's see if it comes back a little bit more. Be prepared to take a trade up here if it bounces. Momentum is coming back down pretty much on the reset. This I put the order up here. Risky, yeah? It's risky. I'm not going to deny that it's a risky move because we are, but it's a 34, it's a week off of the 34 trade. Let's see if we are lucky and get would be a continuation trade if it triggers and if it keeps moving to the upside. It's a little bit too low. I'm gonna enter and keep a tight stop here. And it seems that one, yeah, I'm in. Let's see if it comes back, take me out, or continues. And I'm gonna trace this one. Um, I'm gonna trace it to that level there. If it keeps moving up, if I'm wrong, then it's going to sell at the first reversal. Um, this one was a risky trade actually. Let's see if it respects the 34 EMA. Seems that it wants to come and take me out. I might be wrong on this one. It seems that wants to take me out. And I'm going to put $130 loss on this trade. Make sure that I'm out of all of my positions. Yeah, I'm out of all of my positions there. 130 to $140 per account. Yeah, it was a probably dumb trade. It's we do have all the signals of a reversal here, but still I'm bullish on gold. So we need to see how much more it comes to back down. Everything kind of was aligned in here, other than being below this resistance level. Let's see if we do have now a reset. Seems that we want to. Let's look at the 30 minutes. Yeah, see, we were too close to this resistance level up here, so we wanted a better reset on this. Um, moving averages are getting, you know, they are aligning to the upside very nicely here. Let's see how much more this one retraces, and then if we are going to take one other chance, and if that one is a loser again, then that would be my limit for today. Seems that wants to come back down. Potentially a week off of the cloud right here. It comes back to the cloud, within the cloud, then we need to wait a little bit more. Now momentum is coming below um, or the fast and slow line are coming below the zero line right there. So there's a potential addition. There is a there's additional signs that might be in a range today. So we do have a significant pivot low and a significant high right there. Also there, the double top. So we might be in a range for the trade today, for the uh, price move today. Let me see if we can identify. So yeah, this one is a magnet area. But I'm still bullish in gold. Okay, first trade didn't go my way. It was potentially expected since we do have, big move right there. We did have a range here, broke to the downside. I took it long, go this other way, but it didn't work. Too close to resistance there. We're touching the lower side of the 15-minute opening range. Now we touched it. Let's see what the 15 minutes is, the 30 minutes is doing. Tricky. This is really, we're definitely in a range here. Now it's touching the 2668 again. Breaking below the 15-minute opening. And I'm not gonna play crude. Crude here is the 15 minutes. Already moved very nicely to the downside here. 69.71, and now it's coming back in a reversal. Breaking below the 15 minutes. So seems that wants to go lower. Definitely in a range. Gold today. And this one was again a, if you look at this one is a trend reversal breakout that was confirmed down here. Ground formation coming back down and then move to the downside there. Definitely in a range. Now it's touching the 50 SMA. Right there. Potential area for a bounce. Keeps moving down. Okay, seems that there's a little bit of reaction up here. We are in a, don't see any, well, we are in the lower, in the mid part of this range. Keep coming down a little bit more. $26.60 would be a good area. Which was a level yesterday that we were looking at. Okay, now we are down to 26.63. Extended potential bounce area right here. 2 minutes for root to open. This is a support area. Since I was stopped out in the first trade, I'm hesitating on taking this one. It is not, this one is a range compression move. Seems that it's reacting to this level again. Let's look at the higher time frame here. And is coming back to set 2660 would be just like, oh, one, it's reacting again to that. Coming back down. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if this one works. Should be looking at continuation trade right here. But I want to look, since I'm bullish, I'm going to look for a trend reversal breakout off of 2668. Is going to potentially be that level here, but this one is coming back down. If it reverses here, then could look a trend reversal breakout trade to be bullish. Still waiting for it. Okay, first green candle there. if it closes above 2665.8.5, I believe it. Okay, signs of a reversal there. Okay, now it's giving second candle. I'm going to take the trade up here. Fails out today. Here, wait and see what it does. Seems that wants to reverse. Okay, I'm going to be in, and my stop is going to be down below here. Okay, touch it. Okay, I'm in. See if it respects this break. And if it doesn't, then I'm out. I'm not going to disable the stop. I'm taking 160 loss. Coming back down again to me. Again, if I'm wrong this time, I'm out for today. And it seems that I'm gonna be wrong. Okay, I think that I'm gonna be stopped out, and that would be it for today. Yep, I'm stopped out. And that would be it for today for me. So $300 per account loss, and that would do it my day. I was wrong in this one. I was wrong in this one up here. Very nice trades up here for those who took it. Not a day for me, I guess. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.